All right, so this is the trade breakdown of GBP USD. Unfortunately, yes, there is a lot on my screen right now, but I'm going to break it down to the most simplest way possible. We're just going to do a clean, we're going to do a clean markup for GBP USD. All right, so basically what I always do, I just simply go to the higher time frame and I figure out what is price doing or where is price going. So what I do is I just simply do markups. So I look left and then look right. So what I would do is I would figure out where is price touching multiple times and causing reactions. So, and as you can see right here, price caused a major reaction right here. Once you see price hits here once and come down and hits here and rejects and come down again, I'm expecting price to do the same thing. So that's what I want to do. I want to figure out, okay, would this area respect just as if it did previously? So what I would do is this just personal. I would mark it up red because red means sell to me. So that's what I did. I just simply went to the higher time frame and I figured out, okay, in this area, we got some aggressive moves coming from here. As you can see, aggressive move right there. So I expect once price return to this same area, I expect price to make an aggressive move. And that exactly what happened. So what I'm doing now is I'm just simply going down to the smaller time frame and figuring out, okay, this area right here, this is where we want to sell from because the higher time frame has already proven that every time price hits this area, it wants to sell. So that's what I simply did. I looked left and I seen like once price had hit, so price basically shot down, we came up, shot down, we came up, leaving liquidity. Like these are orders. Like when banks move, they like to come back and grab their orders. So just reading left and looking right, I'm like, okay, in this area right here, these are orders. So price maybe gonna have to come some ways on the right side about these orders, and that's exactly what it did. So I hopped in this cell right here at the top, hopped in my cell, and I wrote it all the way down. So I seen like, okay, price is pulling back. So I'm like, okay, this may be some time for some re-entry. So I just simply waited to price pull back and I looked for the re-entry and I caught another sell. Right now, currently I'm up on 4,000 total. Made maybe like 2,000 piece across two accounts off this move here because I just simply went to the higher time and I figured out that price wanted to sell from this area. So that's what I did. Currently, also another thing I seen how price hit this area. Like I said, the area where we're looking for that liquidity grab that caused price to make a massive move down. I seen how price just hit this area once and exploded. I'm like, okay, so price giving me a reaction from this area, just how price gave me a reaction previously here. I think I want to sell, so I simply waited till price came here once more, and price failed to go above. So when price failed to go high, it must go down. So this is my first entry right here. We got into profit, and the market closed on Friday. I'm like, okay, yes, prices already gave me some type of sales. Prices already took out liquidity grab, so I'm expecting some type of pullback. I'm expecting the price to continue to shoot down. So price came with a pullback, and as you can see, price did not break this high. It simply rejected again, and we simply sold off again. But this candle right here did not break lows. So I'm like, okay, maybe a minor pullback will come again. So price came to pull back, and currently, this is my trade. So what I'm looking for now, being that price has created a high, price has created a high here, price created a high here, and now price is holding. There's a difference between holding and rejecting right here. As you can see, this is rejecting because price rejected. This is rejecting because price rejected. But here, this is holding because you see this candle here is simply sitting in this area. So it's holding this area, as in price is claiming this area. So I'm looking for some type of buy, being that price is already currently isn't a bullish trend. It is in a bullish trend because as you can see here, like this is buying. So as you can see, like currently we're in a bullish trend, but that was just a temporary sale. So I'm simply looking for that buy to continue to happen. So this is my breakdown trade, and I'm going to show you on my markup here. So what I simply had, like I said, I got the liquidity here. As you can see, price came, and like I said, I put red because I'm expecting the price to sell. As you can see, price hit here once, and we sold off hard. I'm like, okay, it gave me a reaction. We're gonna wait. So I'm waiting on one more reaction. Gave me a reaction. We came down, and I marked up. As you can see right here, I said heavy sales below because I say once price but this area, my entry was right here. So broke this area, came down, and it hit my heavy sales below area again and simply sold down. And this was my weekly low. So last week, remember I said I held the trade for a week. Price has broken up on this weekly low. But I knew price had to come back and retrace that weekly low. So as you can see, this is a break and recess of a weekly low, causing some type of resistance, and we simply sold off again. These are the trade breakdowns, and I'll continue to drop and continue to post. Thank you, guys.